quick update on the Ghostbusters RTV. The chassis, as I mentioned earlier, is done. I cleaned up most of the supports. Still some cleanup that needs to be done, but ultimately, it's good. It's good to go. It's printed out of nylon with carbon fiber inside. And I'm telling you, this thing is strong, it's durable, it's light, which is great. Perfect for an RC car. I also printed out some of the shock towers. So this is the front or the rear, I can't remember, and this is the front of the rear as well, because the positions of the shocks on the Traxxas Stampede 4x4 is different for the RTV. Also printed out one of the other bulkheads as well. This needs some cleanup still. Now I'm going to print the rest of it, more the body of the ghost trap in nylon. I just have to order some, and that shit's expensive. But I think ultimately it'll be much more durable, because I'm telling you, printing in nylon, this stuff is strong. It's not as crazy pliable, but I'm telling you, you can really torque this stuff and it doesn't snap. And ultimately, or honestly, it prints pretty damn good. And you know, with all this you know, design and whatnot, it looks really clean, looks really good. And it honestly, the texture, you really can't see it in the video, but the texture looks good. So I think for the body of the trap, it should work well as well. So we'll give that a go once I get some more filament in, but I figured I'd give you guys a quick update to let you know I'm working on it. And hopefully, once I find a Traxxas 4x4 Stampede, I'll have a drivetrain, we can start putting it together.